Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of espresso with a detailed review of the DeLonghi EM400M Classic Espresso Machine. We found this product online, and if you're interested, there's a link in the description below where you can check the latest price and availability. The DeLonghi EM400M is a classic espresso machine that merges elegance with functionality. Made from stainless steel, this machine not only looks great on your countertop but also promises durability. Known as one of the leading espresso machine makers globally, DeLonghi has packed this model with features designed to enhance your coffee-making experience. One of the standout features of the EM400M is its optimal extraction system. It utilizes a consistent 9-bar high-pressure extraction process, which is crucial for pulling expertly crafted shots of espresso. This means you can enjoy your favorite drinks, whether it's a classic espresso, a creamy cappuccino, or even an iced caramel macchiato, all with the same level of quality and consistency. The auto-stop function is an added bonus that allows you to prepare your drinks without worrying about over-extraction. Temperature is another critical aspect of brewing great coffee, and the EM400M excels here too. With its Thermoblock technology, the machine heats up quickly and maintains precise temperature control. This means no more waiting around, your espresso is ready in no time, and you can enjoy a perfectly brewed cup every time. For those who love lattes and cappuccinos, the built-in frother is a game-changer. The steam wand is user-friendly, making it easy to froth milk and alternatives to your desired consistency. Whether you prefer silky steamed milk or rich, velvety foam, this machine has you covered. It opens up a world of possibilities for creating barista-quality drinks right in the comfort of your own home. Customization is another highlight of the EM400M. With its preset single or double espresso options, you can easily start brewing your preferred dose automatically. This feature is particularly useful for those who have specific preferences or for families where different members may want different strengths of espresso. Now, who is this machine suitable for? If you're an espresso aficionado or simply someone who enjoys a quality cup of coffee at home, the DeLonghi EM400M is perfect for you. It caters to everyone from beginners who are just starting their espresso journey to seasoned baristas looking for convenience without compromising on quality. Its compact design makes it an excellent choice for small kitchens or apartments where space is at a premium. Let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine hosting a brunch with friends. This machine can whip up a round of espressos and cappuccinos in no time. Or perhaps you want to treat yourself to a cozy evening at home with a rich espresso martini. The versatility of the EM400M means you can experiment with a variety of beverages, making it a fantastic addition to your kitchen arsenal. In conclusion, the DeLonghi EM400M Classic Espresso Machine is a blend of style and performance. With its optimal extraction, perfect temperature control, and user-friendly frother, it stands out as a reliable choice for anyone looking to elevate their coffee game. Its sleek design ensures it fits seamlessly into any kitchen while providing the quality you expect from a top-tier espresso machine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.